Good morning, guys. Welcome to the channel, or I should say afternoon. Today is Saturday. It is a great day out. Look at this weather. It's so nice. It's windy. It's not too hot. The last like 4 days were like 100 degrees, but I can finally get a day off for the 4th. We're gonna head over to Gio's house. Some work done on the Subaru here. I got new spark plugs. I don't know if we'll get to those. They aren't priority, but I got the air oil separator from IAG, and we're probably gonna do a coolant flush on the car, since I don't know if you got, well, I guess I didn't film it, but my car blew a radiator hose on the way to a car meet. I didn't have my GoPro with me. We ended up fixing the car on the side of the highway. It took like 3 hours, two to 3 hours, and we just had to throw in whatever coolant we had. So I'm trying not to run that long on mixed coolant, because I know you're not supposed to do that. I probably ran about, I don't know, maybe 300 miles, 400 miles since I broke down. So we're gonna do a coolant flush, get all new coolant in, and yeah, just hang out, enjoy the weather, because it is gorgeous out here. So I've only ever changed the coolant about 1 or 2 times since I bought this car. I didn't realize how expensive it is. So I got the brand Peak. It's green, 50/50. You don't have to add water or anything. But at AutoZone, it's $20 a gallon, which is pretty crazy. We got the coolant. I got some more exhaust clamps because my exhaust leak, it's like it doesn't go away. So we're gonna keep doing what we gotta do to try and fix it. I could just weld it, but taking the downpipe off is such a pain to do. You gotta get behind the turbo and take off the 6 bolts, and I don't know. So we're gonna try one more thing. Maybe this time it'll work. We'll see. But we are on our way to Gio's. We'll be there in a few. So we'll jump straight into it. What's up?
What's up, homie?
Good?
You're good.
Coolant is expensive.
What, how much is it?
20 bucks a gallon, 8.1 quarts. So I had to get 3 gallons.
What? They were like, I remember them being like $12.99 and shit.
It was $14.99 for the AutoZone brand, but
Oh.
whatever. Rotors?
Dude, they look good.
I don't know. Dude, I mean, maybe I'll let you drive it and you tell me what you think. Once you get on it, like, if you do like a pull and you get to like 140, 130, whatever, and you hit the brake, you can feel the vibration. And the more you hit them, the more it vibrates. And it gets to a point where the whole car starts
Well,
like,
If it's vibrant,
the whole car is vibrating.
if it's vibrating,
And you can feel it in the pedal too.
It's your rotors are warped.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking. Yeah, so we're gonna go through here and unbox what we got. We have the cylinder 4 cooling mod. We went with the black. I was gonna go with red originally.
Everybody's doing red though.
I know, and this one's a little bit more discreet, kind of chilling in the back. You wouldn't really notice it. Bunch of hoses. I don't know if we'll have to cut these or not.
No, that's alright. No big deal.
Might have to slip these to the right side, right size. A couple bolts here, and we got some zip ties. Got a bunch of hoses here. Hopefully we can hide these pretty well. So right now we're looking for a place to mount the GoPro so we can film everything. And Gio said right here will be the best spot.
there's no oil in the throttle body.
Okay, so we just got the throttle body off, and surprisingly there's no oil. So we're gonna take that as a good sign and keep on moving. We are getting the separator on now. We got most of the things, most of the hoses undone. We had to get into the intake, take that off, the air filter. But right now we're gonna mount it back here. There's two little screws. I don't know if it's pretty dark back here. I don't know if you can see it, but we're gonna get this thing mounted up, and then we're gonna follow the instructions and route the lines while we go, so you know we can get everything situated. All right, guys. So basically, this isn't like a how-to video because there's plenty of them on YouTube you guys can go watch. But we got all of the lines, not all of them. We got to do the couple coolant ones yet.
You got the one at the bottom.
Yeah. Huh? Oh, you got this one. Okay, so we got to do this one here. We got all the oil and the vacuum lines all organized back there behind the AC. But it's going pretty smooth. It's taking long. It's not hard, but it's just very time consuming because there's a lot of stuff you got to take off and it's very tight in here. Okay, so we ran out of hose, but luckily we have a piece that we cut from another hose that we had, and then we took that hose and cut it into two. So we're gonna try and make it work here. We got 2 nipples. So one has to come through here.
You better hope that you have 2 nipples.
One's gonna come through here, link up with this piece, and then this piece links up with another piece that's gonna go down into this nipple here. So we'll have enough for that, hopefully, and then we'll have to run from here, down here, and hit a 90. We have a 90 nipple, and we're gonna meet here, 90 right into here, if you can see that. And hopefully we'll have the exact amount of hose to get that all done. All right, guys, the time has come. It's been about, what, 3 hours? We got the IAG air oil separator in. It's kind of back in the back. You can't really notice it, especially with the hoses coming out over. But as far as looks, the intercooler is not on, so all of this won't even be seen. So you'll only be able to see these couple hoses. So overall, it looks clean. It's gonna be a lot healthier for the car. Hopefully it doesn't break down. It's running good, no leaks, nothing. So, I don't know, guys, what do you think? Nothing's leaking. I don't think there's any, you're not gonna be able to see, but I don't think there's any fluid dripping. Nothing dripping. All right, so now we're gonna start up Gio's. Shout out to Gio for letting me use the garage and the tools. Make sure to check out his channel. And thanks to John. Don't check out his channel because he doesn't have one. But yeah, that's gonna wrap it up.